Lots of care homes have finally legalized the payment for course certificates. Do like and share this video with your friends and loved ones. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fajira. If you're joining me for the very first time, I'm so happy to have you all in my beautiful family. For my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back to watch my videos. I really do appreciate. God bless. If you're new to this channel, I create content on how you can migrate to the UK, jobs with visa sponsorship in the UK immigration updates, scholarships in the UK, everything you can think about the UK. Please do hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so each time I upload a new video, you're going to be the first person to see that video. Today's video is a quick one. I'm filming this video because I've been receiving a lot of messages from my beautiful subscribers. Like, I've received a lot of messages from you guys telling me that some care homes are asking you to pay thousands of pounds. Yes, that's why I'm filming this video. A lot of care homes have finally and legally monetized their recruitment process. Now, I got some messages from you guys to contact the care homes, which I did. So I have gotten back to the people that sent me those messages, but I thought I should share the feedback from the care homes so that any other person that have got a similar message can learn from it as well. So I got some messages from, I wouldn't want to mention the names of the care homes, but these are reputable care homes. I have shared their link and everything. I want to share their name because for data protection purposes, I wouldn't want to be taken to court because I shared such information about them. Some of my subscribers got a job with these care homes and they were asked to pay money that they are paying thousands of pounds as an administrative fees. So because I got some subscribers that have actually got those jobs with these care organizations and they were not asked to pay anything. So the ones that were asked to pay for administrative fees finally sent me their letters. So what I did was to contact the care homes just to be sure that they are dealing with the right people. And when they sent it to me, I was kind of surprised that these care homes have not been taking money from people. How come they're asking you to pay them some money? Because I know that they've not been taking. So I was kind of surprised. I said, okay, don't worry, I'm going to call. Guys, when I called these care homes and I realized that this collecting money for certificate of sponsorship is real. Like, when I mean real, even with the care homes directly, this is not through agencies. The one I know is agencies linking you up and they take their charge for doing that. But now the care homes are boldly saying they are collecting money. So when I called and I said, sorry, I'm calling on behalf of so persons, they said, okay, let me check the names of the people you're calling on their behalf on the system. So they found their names and they said, okay, how can they help me? I now told them that these are people that watch my videos, and they told me that, not only told me, I saw a letter from you guys asking them to pay a certain amount of money. And I remember that last year, some of my subscribers that got jobs with you guys, they didn't pay anything. I've mentioned your care homes on my videos so many times and people have gotten jobs. So I'm really surprised that this letter came from you guys, and I wanted to be sure because a lot of people are doing a lot of things now. Maybe they are using you people to cover up, that's why I'm bringing it to your notice. Then I said, yes, that the letter came from them. To be honest, like, I was surprised because these are the same care homes that my subscribers got jobs with without paying anything, and I was really happy. This care home, some of them picks them up from the airport. So I was like, oh, this huge amount you guys are asking these people to pay. How come you're asking for money? Because I still remember the lady I spoke with, which was a HR administrator. She was like, yeah, we are collecting administrative fees. I now said, yeah, I know there should be administrative fees, but not in thousands of pounds. Sorry, I'm not trying to get into your organization to tell you guys how to do your stuff, but I am kind of surprised because I know that certificate of sponsorship is not really that expensive. So the woman asked me that, how about the time they use in processing the document? How about the interview time and all of that? I said, well, I know this is your organization. I'm not trying to scrutinize what you guys are doing, but like you said, that it's coming from you guys. It's okay. I'll get back to the people that sent me those letters to let them know that it's actually coming from you guys because they thought it was scam or whatever. So she now advised me that yes, I should get back to them and let them know that the money they have asked them to pay is administrative fees, which is in thousands of pounds. So I said, okay, no problem. But then that's okay. When you get back to them, ensure that when they send you this kind of letter, ask them if they have had an interview. Because if they have not had an interview, then they don't have to pay anything until they have an interview and they are shortlisted. That's when they will have to pay for the administrative fees of thousands of pounds. And at that point, I said, okay, no problem. Thank you very much. Because to me, I didn't call for me to start arguing with them to find out why they are taking money. Because I'm aware that agencies are linking up people with care organizations. And the agencies are the ones that take the money and not the care home directly. And these care homes I called are reputable care homes that I had mentioned their names over and over in my videos. Because a lot of people have got jobs with them. So I had mentioned their names over and over. So when I saw that email from my subscribers, I was kind of confused and I was moved to call them, which I did. So if you're watching this video and you have had an interview like they advised me, I called 2 care homes that sent those letters to some of my subscribers. So I just went ahead to do that to be sure that these people are actually collecting money. So in case I have to talk about them in the future, I will tell you guys that you people should be ready with your money because they are collecting administrative fees. That was why I called them. So if you're someone who have received such a letter from any of those organizations, you have to verify yourself, because I cannot really tell you if it's a genuine organization. If you have had an interview, the 2 organizations I called, they told me that if you have had an interview, then you can make payment, which is the administrative fees. But if you have not had an interview, you don't have to pay for anything. So even as I think Home Office is fishing out organizations that are collecting money for this whole thing, I don't think they are going to really fish out a lot, because a lot of care homes now have put it on top of administrative fees. I'm not saying it's wrong or I'm not saying it's right, but administrative fees shouldn't be thousands of pounds, in my opinion, to be honest. I know that agencies are linking up people with care homes. I can understand that the agencies, they pay to run the organizations. So even if they cost thousands of pounds, it's understandable. But a care home, you're employing people to come and work for you, and you're charging them that amount of money as administrative fees. And you know what? If Home Office goes to such care homes to go and find out why they are taking that amount of money as administrative fees, do you know that the Home Office may not really see anything wrong with such organization, because they will bring out everything they are spending, their time and everything, interview process and all of that, and they may end up not doing anything to that care organization because of they have put it on top of administrative fees. Because every organizations have their rights to put any amount they want to put as the administrative fees. So which is why I'm sharing this video. For those of you who have sent me your emails, I have responded to you guys. And for those who are yet to send, who have had similar experience, just one advice I have for you from the care organization. They said, if you have had an interview, then you can go ahead. But if you have not had any interview or anything, don't go and pay anybody, because you may be paying a ghost at the end of the day, somebody that you cannot hold. So for this care organization to open up and tell me that, yes, we are collecting administrative fees in that thousands, then that means a lot of care homes will get away with Home Office trying to fish them out, because they can put that on administrative fees. And I'm sure that they have the money to run the organization. They know how they run it. And since they know how they run it, even if Home Office wants to investigate, they will restart everything. So if you're looking for a care job now, please make sure you have your money. From the look of things, I'm not saying people are not still getting the job. Please use the license sponsored list and call the care homes, which I still get testimonies from people that do that on daily basis. So the thing is, some people are not patient. That's why they end up paying people for this opportunity. I know it's not easy. A few people commented on my video and also sent me a message that it's only Nigerians that they are asking to pay money. Guys, it's not only Nigerians. Other countries, because the emails I have received from my subscribers are not only Nigerians. People from different countries are being asked to pay money. So it's not only Nigerians. So for those of you that think that it's only Nigerians that they are asking to pay that money, guys, it's not only Nigerians, please. Other countries are paying. So This is just what I needed to share with you. I called the key organizations. I saw their letterhead, and these are reputable organizations that I had shared over and over on my channel, and people have got jobs. Some got 5 years sponsorship, some got 3 years. So I was really surprised when I saw that other side of their letters. They are collecting administrative fees in thousands of pounds. So that is just what it is. For you, those that are still looking for a job, keep looking, be hopeful, spend time. The thing is, some people don't really spend time. I got a subscriber that emailed me recently that she was invited for an interview and she forgot. How would you be invited for an interview and you forgot if you're somebody that is seriously and actively searching for a job to move to the UK? You're looking for a job to move to the UK, you finally get a company that have invited you for an interview. You did not attend the interview. So you are your own problem, not any other person. So if you're looking for this job in the UK, you have a part to play. You have your own role to play. So ensure that you're kind of active. You're really, really actively searching. If you don't want to pay, honestly, the care homes have legally monetized it, whether we like it or not. Because for them to be bold, they didn't even know if I was recording the calls. So for them to be that bold to say, yes, it's our administrative fees, then that means that they know what they are doing. I have contacted some care homes that they will say, oh, we didn't ask anybody to pay. And behind, they have asked an agent to collect money. But those ones, they were not really bold to say it because they don't want to get into trouble. But these reputable care homes I called, they told me, yes, we are collecting administrative fees. Just tell them that if they haven't got an interview, they shouldn't pay anybody. That we make sure that we get to interview shortlisting and you cannot pay for the administrative fees. I said, okay, thank you very much. So guys, I just hope this information will help you guys. Please do like and share this video with your friends and loved ones so that it may help a lot of people out there still asking this question. So in case you run into such care home and you have had an interview, it is legal to pay provided you're sure that it's a care home, from what they have told me. Because if it's something they are doing as a secret, they won't open up to somebody, a stranger, that is just speaking to them over the phone, because they don't know if I was recording the phone call. Like I said, I won't be able to mention their names in this video, just to clarify with those who have emailed me, people who have left a comment on my videos, people who have sent a message asking me to check. Yes, those care homes that you have applied to, provided you've had an interview, they are collecting administrative fees of that amount on your letter. So that is just what it is. I thought I should share with you so that other people will get to know as well. So just in case they have similar letters, this video is going to answer their question. So guys, we've actually come to the end of this video, and please do like and share with your friends and loved ones. It may help somebody. Thank you very much for watching, and if you're yet to subscribe to join our beautiful family, please do hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so each time I upload a new video, you're going to be the very first person to see that video. Until I see you in my next video, guys, do take care and have a lovely day. Bye bye for now.